High-speed rails are one of the biggest trends of the 21st century. Many countries like Japan and France spent so much money to get it. But one country has been late in the race, and this country is the United States of America. California announced one of the most ambitious high-speed rail projects ever tried on Earth. But after years and billions of dollars, this project is still unfinished. What really happened? What is taking them so long? Are they really abandoning the project? Before this one, the world had already built many high-speed rail systems. That's why it's so hard to understand why this project is taking so long to complete. It was supposed to be straightforward. And look, we're not looking down on America. Japan and Europe have already done the same thing. The Japanese Shinkansen has been running safely for decades. So, the United States isn't inventing anything new here. The technology already exists. They just have to copy the system. But the reality turned out to be very different. Instead of following proven models, America tried to bend the engineering rules and ended up messing everything up. So, how did an easy project become so hard for the richest country in the world? Do you know what high-speed rail projects hate more than anything else? Unstable ground. On its own, that can kill an entire project. And you might ask, doesn't Japan also deal with earthquakes? That's true. But California's problem runs much deeper. Large sections of the route pass through soft agricultural soil that shifts, compresses, and slowly moves over time. For normal rail, this is manageable. But for trains traveling at over 300 kilometers per hour, it's a nightmare. This is the first major obstacle, and it's only the beginning. California faces more challenges than most people realize. Here's something most people don't realize. High-speed rail can't make sharp turns. It needs long, gentle curves with near-perfect alignment. But the problem is, California isn't empty land. There are cities, farms, highways, rivers, and protected areas everywhere. So the route has to bend again and again just to avoid obstacles. And every time the track bends, the train has to slow down. To fix that, engineers are forced to build tunnels, bridges, and elevated sections. But this isn't as simple as it sounds. It adds enormous complexity and costs far more money. But there's one last obstacle, and it explains why this project has been delayed for so long. In reality, high-speed rail only works as a closed system. That's the real secret. In Japan and Europe, these trains run on their own dedicated tracks. There are no level crossings, no interruptions. California chose a different approach. Parts of the system had to interact with existing infrastructure, urban crossings, shared corridors, and environmental constraints. From an engineering perspective, this breaks the entire model, so the project stops being a single train line and turns into hundreds of small engineering battles, all happening at the same time. Most people think throwing more money at a mega project will fix it. Sometimes that's true, but here, money isn't the real problem. Every new dollar exposed another constraint, and every solution revealed a new limitation. Philosophers might enjoy this kind of paradox, but engineers don't. So this project isn't a failure, at least not yet. It's a system overwhelmed by compounding problems. And when a project slows down too much, momentum dies. That's when delays turn into decades. So the real question isn't whether California high-speed rail failed. The real question is America able to build this world-class mega project while fighting the systems itself? But anyways, I guess this is America and everything is possible. Now, what do you think? Are you excited by this mega project? Do you think it's going to succeed?